Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Driving through Shell Point, South Carolina, reveals a charming community in Beaufort County. Shell Point is situated along the Atlantic coast, approximately 20 miles northeast of Savannah, Georgia. The area is characterized by its low elevation, averaging around 2 meters above sea level, contributing to its distinctive coastal landscape. The region is home to the Shell Point Plantation, which encompassed 330 acres in 1863. The plantation was owned by the Willis family, though specific details about its operations and history are limited. Today, Shell Point offers a suburban-rural mix, with many residents owning their homes. The community is known for its quiet atmosphere, well-kept yards, and dog-friendly environment. For outdoor enthusiasts, Shell Point Park provides recreational opportunities, including areas for picnics and enjoying the natural surroundings. The community's proximity to the Atlantic Ocean and nearby cities like Savannah enhances its appeal, offering both tranquility and accessibility to urban amenities.